Hey everyone, and welcome to Chikkamangaluru. It's a super pretty city tucked away in the foothills of the Western Ghats in Karnataka, India. It's known as the coffee land of Karnataka, which is pretty cool, right? This place is like a dream come true for people who love nature and adventure. Come with me as we explore the amazing green landscapes, exciting culture, and fascinating history of this special place in South India. Our adventure starts among the rolling hills of Chikkamangaluru, covered in bright green. These hills are part of the Western Ghats, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its rich biodiversity and stunning landscapes. The lush greenery here is a testament to the region's fertile soil and abundant rainfall, creating a perfect habitat for a variety of flora and fauna. Tall trees reach up to the sky like they're protecting this beautiful place. These towering giants are home to countless species of birds, insects, and other wildlife, making the forest a vibrant and lively ecosystem. Walking through these woods, you can hear the symphony of nature, with birds chirping and leaves rustling in the gentle breeze. As we go further, we'll see waterfalls rushing down cliffs, splashing into clear pools at the bottom. These waterfalls are not just a visual treat, but also a source of life for the surrounding vegetation. The mist created by the falling water nourishes the plants and keeps the area cool and refreshing. Hebby Falls is super powerful and beautiful, falling from really high up. The force of the water as it crashes down creates a mesmerizing sight and a soothing sound that can be heard from a distance. It's a popular spot for both tourists and locals who come here to enjoy the natural beauty and take a refreshing dip in the cool waters. Kalathigiri Falls has lots of mist and cool stories about it. The mist adds a mystical aura to the place, making it look like a scene straight out of a fairy tale. Local legends speak of ancient spirits that dwell in the mist, protecting the falls and the surrounding forest. It's a place where nature and folklore come together, creating a unique and enchanting experience. Sirimane Falls is a calm waterfall near the coffee farms, a nice, peaceful place. The gentle flow of water and the serene surroundings make it an ideal spot for relaxation and reflection. The nearby coffee plantations add to the charm, with the aroma of fresh coffee beans wafting through the air, creating a perfect blend of nature and agriculture. All the green plants show how much the monsoon rains help this area. The rains bring life to the region, turning the landscape into a vibrant green paradise. The monsoon season is a time of renewal and growth, with plants and trees flourishing and the air filled with the fresh scent of rain-soaked earth. Being here among the trees and waterfalls makes you feel close to nature. It's a place where you can disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with the natural world. The tranquility and beauty of this place have a calming effect on the mind and soul, reminding us of the simple joys of life and the importance of preserving our natural heritage. You can almost smell the coffee in the air in Chikkamangaluru. This picturesque town in the heart of Karnataka, India, is a haven for coffee enthusiasts. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee wafts through the air, inviting you to explore its rich coffee culture. Huge coffee farms stretch across the land, creating a mesmerizing sea of green. These vast plantations are a testament to the region's dedication to coffee cultivation, making it look emerald green. The lush greenery is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a vital part of the coffee growing process, providing the perfect environment for the coffee plants to thrive. Come with me to these farms and you'll see how coffee is made from the initial planting to the final cup. Walking through the plantations, you'll witness the meticulous care that goes into every step of the process. From the little white flowers to picking the beans, each stage is crucial. Delicate white flowers bloom, signaling the start of the coffee beans' journey, drying them and roasting them. After the beans are picked, they are carefully dried in the sun and then roasted to perfection, bringing out their unique flavors. Chikkamangaluru is famous for its Arabica and Robusta coffee beans. These two varieties offer distinct flavors and characteristics, making them popular among coffee connoisseurs. Arabica coffee grows higher up and tastes a little like chocolate and caramel. The high altitude conditions contribute to its smooth and rich flavor profile. Robusta coffee grows lower down and has a stronger flavor. Known for its bold and robust taste, Robusta is often used in espresso blends. We'll meet the farmers who work so hard to grow the coffee. These dedicated individuals have honed their skills over generations, ensuring the highest quality beans. They know so much about growing coffee, from the best planting techniques to the ideal harvesting times. Their expertise is invaluable in producing the perfect cup of coffee, from planting the little trees to picking the ripe berries. Each step is performed with precision and care, ensuring that only the best beans make it to your cup. And then we'll get to taste some fresh Chikkamangaluru coffee. There's nothing quite like enjoying a cup of coffee right where it was grown, surrounded by the beautiful landscapes that nurtured it. Let's go explore the misty mountains of Chikkamangaluru. This beautiful region in Karnataka is known for its stunning hill stations, lush greenery and serene landscapes. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast or someone looking to unwind, Chikkamangaluru has something for everyone. Mullayanagiri is the tallest mountain in Karnataka, standing at an impressive 1,930 meters. The view from the top is nothing short of breathtaking, offering a panoramic vista of the Western Ghats. It's a popular spot for trekkers and nature lovers alike, providing a sense of accomplishment and awe. Baba Budangiri is another must-visit destination. This mountain is not only known for its natural beauty, but also for its cultural significance. It is a revered site for both Hindus and Muslims, with many fascinating stories and legends associated with it. The cave shrine here adds a mystical touch to the experience. The hike to the top of Baba Budangiri takes you through dense forests and past cascading waterfalls. The journey is as rewarding as the destination, with the sounds of nature accompanying you every step of the way. It's a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. If you prefer a more relaxing experience, Kamanagundi is the place to be. This hill station is known for its beautifully manicured gardens, serene waterfalls and scenic viewpoints. It's an ideal spot for a leisurely stroll or a peaceful picnic surrounded by nature's splendor. For those who enjoy a bit of sport, the Chikkamangaluru golf course offers a unique experience. Nestled amidst rolling hills and coffee plantations, this golf course provides a picturesque setting for a round of golf. It's a great way to enjoy the outdoors while indulging in a favorite pastime. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, Chikkamagaluru's hill stations have something to offer everyone. From thrilling treks and cultural landmarks to tranquil gardens and scenic golf courses, this region is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. So pack your bags and get ready to explore the enchanting hills of Chikkamangaluru. Chikkamangaluru isn't just beautiful nature. It also has a really interesting history. There are old temples here that have seen so much history. The Veera Narayana temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu and has beautiful carvings. Sringeri Sharada Peetham is a peaceful and important place for Hindu philosophy. The Harihareshwara temple is dedicated to Harihara and shows how different religions can come together. Visiting these temples makes you feel connected to the past. The weather in Chikkamangaluru is always nice. In the summer you can walk among the coffee plants and the air smells amazing. The sun is warm, but there's a cool breeze. During the monsoon season it's like a paradise. The rain makes everything look sparkly and the rivers flow really fast. Evenings are peaceful as the sun goes down behind the hills. Whether you want adventure or some quiet time, Chikkamagaluru's weather is always perfect. Life in Chikkamangaluru follows the rhythm of nature. Farming is really important here, especially coffee. You'll see coffee beans drying in the sun everywhere. More and more people are visiting Chikkamangaluru because it's so beautiful, and that's creating more jobs. There are cozy homestays and fancy resorts, and everyone is very welcoming. Local artists make beautiful crafts. The people here are warm and friendly, and they work hard. They value their community, their work, and their traditions. Getting to Chikkamangaluru is easy. You can drive through Karnataka and see the countryside. You can take a train and enjoy the view. You can also fly to Mangalore International Airport. Once you're here, you can take buses or taxis to get around. However you get here, it's part of the adventure. Chikkamangaluru has lots of schools and colleges. The classrooms are bright and encourage kids to be creative and curious. There are also programs that teach job skills. The teachers are dedicated and the students are excited to learn. Learning in Chikkamangaluru is fun. You have to try the food in Chikkamangaluru. Near dosa is a thin rice crepe that melts in your mouth. Kundapura chicken curry is spicy and delicious. Aki roti is made from rice flour and goes with everything. There are also lots of vegetable curries. Every dish tells a story about the history and culture of Chikkamangaluru. You'll remember the food long after you leave. Chikkamangaluru is a mix of beautiful nature, delicious coffee and fascinating history. From the misty mountains to the coffee farms, it's an amazing place. Come visit Chikkamangaluru and see this special part of Karnataka. Let the beauty of nature amaze you, the smell of coffee wake you up, and the history teach you something new. Chikkamangaluru is waiting for you.